Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make crispy cauliflower fry. It's a great side dish and perfect for tea time snacks. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. Here I've got 400 grams of cauliflower cleaned and cut into small pieces. Boil some water with a tablespoon of salt. Add the cauliflower florets into the water. Turn off the flame, cover and leave it for 5 minutes. Let it blanch. Do not leave it for a long time. It should not get cooked. This is perfect. Drain out the water and place it aside. Let's make a batter to coat the cauliflower. Into a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of soya sauce, a teaspoon of Schezwan sauce, some salt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all of this well. We need a semi-thick batter to coat and fry, so add water little by little. Mix well without any lumps. Check out the consistency. Add the cauliflower florets into the batter. Coat it well. Heat up some oil for frying. Add the cauliflower. Bring the heat to medium-low. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to fry. Fry them until brown. Cauliflower is done now, brown and crispy. Remove from the oil. Fry some green chillies and curry leaves along with the cauliflower. This is for extra flavor. Give a slight slit on the green chillies before you drop them in, or else it will start bursting. Do give it a try and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.